So dear viewers, first lecture I have just shown you that how we'll create that floor level for our structure. Okay, so as we are creating a ground plus 4-story building. Okay, so in our previous lecture I have just created that, and now in this lecture I will create grid line. But before that, okay, I'll just go view, and from here, and if I open that floor plan, your floor plan, then ceiling plan, they have some missing data. So what you can do, that go to view and then view plan, and from here floor plan, and you see the three are already missing, so I'll select that and click OK. So just see they are here, and again similarly floor plan, and this is for ceiling plan. I'll just click here, so that too, then click OK. So here, okay, so if when we required to create our floor plan and also ceiling plan for different, that will be, first of all we'll create our structural plan. Okay, after that we'll create our floor plan, and with respect to our floor plan we'll create our ceiling plan. So already how to create floor plan and ceiling plan, we have created it in video about it, so that link are given already in description in the part of Autodesk Revit architecture. Okay, tutorial stage. So there I have shown you about everything. So in this lecture I am just going to show you about a structural plan. So first of all I'll just come here, footing level. Okay, at footing level I'll create our I'll create our grid line. Okay, so first of all in our footing level, so if I just come here, okay, so here just see here, if you see here, here is a column, here is a column, and here is a column, and here this is our footing level, and every column, below every column will get a footing. So the center point of column, that will be our uh, footing. With respect to center level of column, we'll create our grid line. Okay, so what we'll do actually, I'll just take dimension of it. So from here dimension, we can consider continue dimension. Okay, so first of all we'll create a linear dimension here to here. Okay, after that I'll just go here dimension and continue dimension. uh, from that point to that point, that is 10 feet, and here 10 feet and 1.5 inch, that center to center distance. After that I'll just go here dimension, so continuous, from here come that point, then come that point, here that point, that point, here another one, and here another one. Okay, so I'll click escape. So this is our grid length. So how much grid we record? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we require total 8 grid line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We require total 8 grid line. Okay, so now I'll just create our grid line in that direction. Okay, so I'll just come here, and first of all in that direction I'll create 8 grid line. So for that I'll just go a structure or architect, that's not problem. So I'm just coming here architect, then here grid line. Okay, so here grid, and so from here I'll consider from that point to in top direction at 90 degree, I'll just create a grid line. This is our first grid line. Okay, and I'll consider that grid line A. In that direction I'll consider A. So grid line A. Similarly, simply press Ctrl and press your left mouse, and simply move that like that. Again move that 1 2, again 3, again 4, again 5, again 6, again 7, again 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sorry, I have created one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I no need that, or I'll just delete that. So this is our 8 grid. Now I'll just give the dimension now. So to give provide dimension, that will be fixed. I'll just click here. So what will be the dimension for first one? Our dimension will be, if I just come here, our dimension will be 10 feet and 1.5 inch. So I'll just come here, I'll just give value here. And one thing actually, before placing your dimension, just what I mean, who is grid you want to move, you have to select that grid. If you select that grid, then it will move with respect to that grid, but if you select that grid, then it will move with respect to that grid and that grid. Okay, so that will be 11 feet and 1.5 inch. Just see, it's up moved 11 feet, sorry, 10 feet and 1.5 inch. So that will be 10 feet and 1.5 inch. Then for that, again for that one, we'll use that data, 11 feet and 4.5. 11. So here that will be 11 and 4.5 already given here, then enter. Okay, 11 and 4.5. Then 2 feet and 4.5, 2 feet and 4.5, 2 feet and 4.5. So I just come, I'll select that one here, 2 feet and 4.5, 4.5, then enter. Okay, and now that one, how much that one? So that one will be 9 feet and 8 inch. So here 9 feet and 8 double apostrophe inch. So maybe I have done a mistake. Yeah, Control Z. So for that one, we have to select this one, and after that we'll give here 9 feet and 8 inch. Just see, it's up moved. After that, again 2 feet 4.5 inch. So I'll just come, we'll click that, Control C. After that, I'll just click that one. That data will be 2 feet and 4.5 inch. Okay, after that I'll move that on, and how much? So that will be 11 feet 4.5 inch and 10 feet 1.5 inch. So both are symmetric. So here that, what was that? Control C, 11 feet, Control V, then enter, again select that one, and with respect to that data, Control C, and just give it. So we have provided all of our data here. We have provided all of our data here actually. So I'll click it and I'll make little bit short it. Okay, and after that I'll zoom it, and here see they have overlapped. So what will do, I will just change the scale. So 1 by 8 equal to 1 feet. I'll just make little bit. So again I think that's okay. Okay, so here we have provided our grid line in that direction. Now we'll provide our grid line in that direction. So for that I'll just come here, and here how much grid we record? Here 1, here 2, here 3, and we have to create more 2 dimensions. I'll just click, I'll just take that on, take Okay, so copy CO, and with respect to that point I will just move that on. Okay, first of all I'll just provide here, and here I have to find out the middle point of it. So for that, what we can do that, okay, actually if I consider that I can ignore that point. Okay, so otherwise from here I can take that value. Okay, from here I can take that value. So what will be the distance from that point to, I mean that line to that point? That is 1 feet, 1 feet and 5 inch, 1 feet 5 inch. Okay, so it's done. So I'll just give here the linear from that on to that on, again from here to here, and again from here to here, right? Now I'll just come here, and first of all I'll just give here a grid. So I'll click like grid to save the project. I'm just saving that project. Okay, I'm just saving that project here. Where I'll save that project, I'll just go desktop, SOCE Revit, and here I'll SOCE structure. Okay, then I'll save it. Okay, now I'll just take here place grid. So from that point to in that direction at 90 degree I'll just take a grid line. Okay, now what will be that? I'll just give that as, okay, I'll place that name later. So first of all, how much grid I record? Actually 1 2 3 4 and here 5. I need 5 grid. Okay, so I'll simply select and press Ctrl, and I'll just move that, and I'll release our, I mean I'll create copy, then again Ctrl, then press left click on your left side on your mouse, again left side on your mouse, 1 2 3 4 and another is 5. So we have done that. So what we'll do, first of all I'll take that point, that on, and what will be the distance? What will be the distance here? If I see, that will be 1 feet and 5 inch. So first distance will be 1 feet and 5 inch. Enter 1 feet and 5 inch. Only for one beam we have to place here, that's why. And again I will select that one. So what will be the distance from our from that on to, I'll consider distance from that on to that on. Okay, so what will be the distance? I have just simply moved that. It's very easy in Revit. So I'll just come here. What will be the distance for our second grid? That will be from that line 11 feet 4 inch. Okay, 11 feet 4 inch. So I'll just come. What will be that distance? 11 feet and 4 inch. Okay, 11 feet and 4 inch, and I'll just close. So from here to here 11 feet 4 inch, and what will be the distance of that? That will be 4 feet 11 inch. So 4 feet and 11 inch enter. Okay, now I'll take that line. What will be the distance of that line? That will be 15 feet 11 inch. So I'll just take 15 feet and 11 inch. So I hope we have done that. After that I'll just click here to make it easy. So now I'll just give dimension and I'll see is it okay or not. So for that I'll just go modify, and from here, from modify I can just, otherwise I can go here structure, then I'll just go here annotate, and here I will just first give our dimension. So the linear dimension, what we'll just do, so from that, sorry, from that point to that point, from that point, from that point, from that point, that point, that point, and that point. After that move here like that. Okay, so this is our distance. After that we'll check after completing our that data. Okay, what I'll do here, after that again annotate linear dimension. So from that grid to that point to that point, that point. Okay, so when it's done I will just little bit increase, it's 1/4 here, 1/4. I'll just take 1/8. Okay, and here first of all I'll check that dimension, and after that I'll just move that. So what was that distance? 1 feet and 5 inch. First of all 1 feet and 5 inch. Okay, I'll check first of all that side. Actually we have done that, and now I'll check that side. So 10 feet, 10 feet 1.5 and 14, I mean 11, 4.5 and 2, 4.5, yeah, 2, 4.5 and 9.8, and 9.8, it's okay. 11, 4, 11, 4, okay. Our that side dimension is okay. Now for that side, so what we'll do actually, from that on to that on, that is 11 feet 4, and from that to that 1 feet 5 inch, that was on 1 feet 5 inch. So from that point to that point, so it will be 10, 11 feet 4 inch, yeah, that's okay. And also 4 feet 11 inch, yeah, that's also okay. 15 feet 11 inch, so that is 15 feet 11 inch. So our grid line is okay. Okay, we have placed our grid line perfectly. Now I'll just simply save that, and I'll delete our AutoCAD software, and I'll do here some text. When it's done, all right, when it's done, now what we can do, that I can click here. Okay, I'll just click escape, again escape, and then I'll just click here, and I'll move them little bit in that direction. Again I'll move them little bit in that direction, right? So I hope it's okay now. Our all grid line is okay. Now if I go here, our that ground floor, then if we go here first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and fifth floor. So if I just come here, and one thing I have to do, I'll just again go here footing level, and I'll just give here, I mean give its name 1, then enter, and I'll just give its name 2, I'll give its name 3, I'll give its name 4, and finally I'll just give it name 5. Okay, and I'll little bit scale from here. Okay, so when it's done, what I'll do actually, sorry. So after I will simply select so for our every floor, if is to view, so for our every floor we have just created our right, we have created our see here also our the grid are available. So what we can do, I'll just click here and I will modify that. I'll just okay, and hope it will move. So it's done. In this way, I can modify your grid system. Okay, I hope to do that. So from our next lecture, I will try to start our next part of Autodesk. I mean, Autodesk Revit structure. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.